Hi, I'm Rick Knockfee with Solid State Logic, and we're here at the 2026 InfoComm show. We're showing the new update for SSL live consoles, version 6.2. So a couple of the new features. One of the big ones is that now we have Clang integration within the console. So with the Clang system now, you can see I'm controlling on the mixer and it's controlling Clang. And so we've got this deep integration now with Clang built into every SSL live console. Additionally, we have a new plugin called Solid Pitch. And Solid Pitch is basically a pitch correction, real-time pitch correction. You have multiple latencies here down to 1 milliseconds. You've got all of the ability to change keys, and you can trigger these with snapshots or time code. And this is now also a free update for SSL live console users. So if you'd like more information, check us out at solidstatelogic.com. Thank you.